Some of our kiddos are going back to school, and we are still in this global pandemic. And so I wanted to create something that could help the kids put their mask close to them and have it ready and handy. So today I created a lanyard that has two ends that have clips, and you can clip your mask or your child's mask onto the lanyard. Of course, you can make these for adults or for kids, but I was thinking about the kids as they head back to school, that they may need something to keep track of their mask. I was chatting with a friend of mine yesterday, and we were talking about how her little one is always putting his mask down and picking it up and putting it down and picking it up, and it's all over his face and he's drooling. So anyway, it might be good to have something that the kids could clip onto them, and the mask will just stay on them, and then when they are allowed to take the mask off, then they don't set it on the table. And so today I will be showing you how to make these. These are super easy, and they can work up quickly if you need to make a few for your kids. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Again, it's crochetandcraftwithme.com. I will have a written pattern up for this pattern as well, so that you can look at it on my blog as well if you need the written instructions. I also wanted to show a few things before we get started. I do have a new Etsy shop, newer, and I put some new items in. So these are messy bun hats or headbands, and they are great for when you have an updo. And so I have several colors available in my shop. And so if you are looking for something for fall, I have several sizes and colors. You could get them for yourself or for your children. That one is gray. I have a color called peacock blue, a rose, pink rose color, a wine color, and a mustard color. And I do have a color called carrot. I actually left it upstairs. So if you would like to check out my Etsy shop, I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'd love to have you come and just click around and see if there's something you might enjoy in there. So let's get started on our mask tutorial, mask lanyard tutorial.
Okay guys, so for this project you are going to need a few things. The first thing is some kind of swivel clasp or hook for your mask. You could alternatively use some split key rings, or you could even sew it directly onto the mask. I will show you how to do that. You will also need some scissors and a crochet hook. I have a G hook and a needle, a yarn needle. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First things we will do is we will crochet, start the crochet. We will chain 4. And when we get 4, we are going to single crochet in the second stitch from the beginning and across. So we will have 3 single crochets at the end. We're going to chain 1, and then we're going to go back and single crochet across the next row. We are going to do this for 6 rows before we attach our first clasp or attach it to one side of the mask. So that's 3 rows. 4 rows, chaining in between each row. All right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 rows. We will take our hook off, and we are going to go ahead and thread our lanyard hook through the bottom of our lanyard. Push it through and fold it in half. And then we're going to crochet through all of these loops in order to secure it shut. We could alternatively do the split key ring, or we could place the mask in there and single crochet it shut as well. I'm going to be using this one. So I will put my hook back on. And I'm going to single crochet it shut. So I'm going to be going through all 4 loops at a time. It's kind of bulky, but I believe it'll create a nice, secure shut for our lanyard. All right, then from here, we are going to crochet across until we reach the 82nd row. So when I have 82 rows, I will meet you back. We're going to chain at the end of each and turn our project until we have 82 rows. If you would like to make it shorter, of course you could adjust, or longer. Just adjust your numbers accordingly. And when I have 82 rows, I will meet you back. So I am at the end of row 82. I have left myself a long tail and I cut the yarn. I'm going to take my swivel clasp and thread it through, pull the tail out, and fold over and single crochet it shut. I could use my split keyring as well, or I could also single crochet it to the mask directly, if that was your method. So we're going to fold it, and then we are going to go in, grab a stitch, and single crochet these closed. This will make it nice and secure. It is a little hard to get in and out of it, but it will go. All right, then we are going to pull the loop through and finish it off. I will tuck in my ends and I will meet you guys back. So it's finished, it just needs the tucked in ends.
Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed creating this lanyard today for your mask. I hope that you're able to make this project. If you are, I would love to hear about it in the comments below. Also, the written tutorial again will be on my blog at crochetandcraftwithme.com. I will link my other social medias below, so if you would like to follow me, I'd love to see you. Also, don't forget to check my Etsy shop for these cute hat ear warmers, and maybe you can find a color that you like. If this video was helpful to you today, I hope that you would maybe give it a thumbs up